this video, the remarkable result of the project titled Development of Innovative Intelligent Machine Tool Based on CAM-CNC Integration Concept and Intelligence Enhancement of Innovative Machining Technologies is introduced. This project was conducted under the Innovative Design and Manufacturing Technologies Division within the Cross-Ministerial Strategic Innovation Promotion Program, or SIP. In this project, a prototype of an innovative machine tool was developed that can achieve easy machining operations with a few simple instructions, without generating any NC programs. In the prototype machine tool, the machining operation can be started through a mere 4-step instruction, as we will demonstrate now. The first step is a selection of the product model. In this case, a dental prosthetics model is selected. The second step is selection of a workpiece model. In this case, a cuboid material is selected. The third step is execution of process planning. First, cutting tool candidates to be used are selected. Then, a suitable cutting tool is selected and cutting conditions are determined automatically. This concludes all processing preparations. To start machining operations, all you need to do is push the Start button. Prototype machine tool has now started. As you can see, this machine tool is controlled by instructions of the tool paths, which are calculated in real time. The CNC of this machine tool calculates tool paths in real time so that the cutting tool can follow the shape of the product to be machined. The dental prosthetic is gradually starting to take form. The CNC of this machine tool calculates the tool paths continuously until the end of machining operation. In the future, new functions of tool motion control and cutting force simulation will be introduced to this prototype machine tool, and cutting process control and machining trouble avoidance will be achieved. Machining operation has been completed. After giving the prototype machine tool control of the processing, the dental prosthetic has been machined successfully. In this video, the remarkable results of the project titled Development of Innovative Intelligent Machine Tool Based on CAM-CNC Integration Concept and Intelligence Enhancement of Innovative Machining Technologies have been introduced. This project has been conducted by Kobe University, Soft Cube Company Limited, and Kitamaru Machinery Company Limited, incorporated as the project team.